everyone. Today, we're about to enter the enchanting world of butterflies. Ever wondered how these little beauties come to life and flutter through fields? Join us as we explore the magical life of butterflies and uncover the mystery of their amazing transformation. You're about to see a journey from a tiny egg to a delicate, colorful creature that dances in the air. Let's follow our butterfly friend as she shows us her fascinating life story. So get ready to spread your wings and dive into the world of butterflies. Let's go! Where do butterflies live? You might be surprised. They can be found in gardens, meadows, rainforests, and even deserts. Wherever there are flowers, butterflies are never far away. Look, this butterfly is sipping nectar from a flower in a tropical rainforest. Butterflies need warm, sunny places with lots of flowers for food and shelter. They're like little nomads, traveling wherever the flowers are brightest and the sun is warmest. Doesn't that sound wonderful? Take a close look at those wings. Butterflies have some of the most beautiful patterns in the animal kingdom. Each wing is covered with tiny scales that give it its bright colors. Do you see those little antennae on top of the butterfly's head? They help butterflies smell and sense the world around them, just like a built-in radar. And those big eyes aren't just for show. They're called compound eyes, and they help butterflies see in many directions at once, so they can spot flowers from far away. There are around 18,000 species of butterflies worldwide. Here's a monarch butterfly with its bright orange and black wings. Isn't it stunning? Look at this swallowtail. It's larger than most butterflies and has beautiful tails on its wings, almost like a swallowbird's feathers. Nature's masterpiece. And here's the painted lady, known for her orange and brown speckled wings. Each butterfly is unique, and no two patterns are the same. Isn't that amazing? Did you know butterflies are almost completely silent? They don't buzz like bees or hum like other insects. Their wings make just a faint fluttering sound as they glide. This gentle sound is part of what makes butterflies so magical. They move like whispers through the garden, softly landing on each flower they visit. It's almost as if they're dancing to a quiet, secret tune. Their beauty is in their peaceful presence. This is where the magic begins. Every butterfly starts its journey as a tiny egg, carefully laid on a leaf by its mother. Each egg is like a little promise of life. Soon, they'll hatch and begin an incredible transformation from one stage to the next. Keep watching as these tiny eggs become something amazing. Just wait until you see the next stage. Did you know butterflies have a long, straw-like tongue called a proboscis? It's perfect for sipping nectar from flowers. But when they're caterpillars, it's a different story. They munch on leaves all day long to grow big and strong. They're like tiny eating machines. So, caterpillars munch on leaves, but butterflies sip sweet nectar. It's a diet change for a whole new life. Look at all these colors. Butterflies come in a rainbow of shades, from the bright orange of the monarch to the shimmering blue of the morpho butterfly. Each color serves a purpose. Bright colors can warn predators, while patterns help them blend into their surroundings to stay safe. It's like each butterfly wears a unique outfit. Some are vibrant and bold, while others are perfectly camouflaged. It's like nature's fashion show. And now for the grand transformation, metamorphosis. Butterflies go through 4 magical stages to become the beautiful creatures we know. First, they hatch from an egg into a hungry caterpillar. Then they form a chrysalis, where they'll transform into a butterfly. After some time, the butterfly breaks free. Stretching its wings and beginning its new life. It's a real-life transformation story. Butterflies aren't just beautiful. They're important pollinators too. As they fly from flower to flower, they help plants grow by spreading pollen. This pollination is what helps fruits and vegetables grow, feeding animals and people around the world. Butterflies are little heroes of nature. So next time you see a butterfly, remember, it's more than just pretty wings. It's helping make the world a better place. Did you know butterflies have to warm up in the sun to fly? They're like tiny solar-powered creatures. And here's a cool one. Butterflies can see colors we can't. They can spot ultraviolet light, which helps them find the best flowers. So next time you spot a butterfly, remember, it sees the world in a way we can only imagine. Thanks for joining us on this magical butterfly adventure. If you loved learning about butterflies, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring nature together. See you next time for more incredible animal facts and adventures. Until then, keep your eyes open for butterflies. They're everywhere, spreading magic. See you next week and goodbye.